This 2021 Gulf Stream Vista Cruiser 19ERD is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Gulfstream is 23 feet 1 inch in length and features a gray, tan interior, sleeps 4, self-contained, oven, LP detector, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, microwave, TV antenna, water heater, air conditioning, and 27 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Gulf Stream Vista Cruiser 19ERD is 3,120 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.